Let's be honest. You've tried quitting. You've promised yourself it's the last time. And then, a few days later, you're back to square one. But here's what you need to understand. Willpower alone will never be enough. You need a system. You need habits that rebuild your life from the ground up. Today, I'm giving you 5 habits that will not just help you break free, but transform you into someone who doesn't need escape anymore. Let's get into it. Habit 1, replace, don't resist. The moment you feel the urge, don't fight it. Fighting creates more tension. Instead, replace the action immediately. Do 20 push-ups. Take a cold shower. Call a friend. Read 1 page of a book. Go for a walk. Your brain is wired for patterns. When you replace the pattern instead of resisting it, you rewire the neural pathway. Over time, the new action becomes automatic. This isn't about willpower, it's about redirection. And redirection works when willpower fails. Habit 2, build a morning routine. You can't skip wake up and win the first hour. Make your bed, exercise, take a cold shower, eat a real breakfast. Read something that builds your mind. Why does this matter? Because the first hour sets the tone for your entire day. When you start strong, you carry that momentum. When you start weak, you're already 1 step closer to giving in. People who break free don't do it with motivation. They do it with structure. Build a morning routine so solid that skipping it feels wrong. Habit 3, eliminate triggers completely. You can't win a battle you keep walking into. If your phone is the problem, get a dumb phone. If your laptop is the trigger, install blockers that require a password you give to someone you trust. Remove access, delete apps, unfollow accounts, block websites, make relapse inconvenient. This isn't weakness, this is strategy. Every successful person controls their environment. You're not fighting temptation, you're removing it from your life entirely. Habit 4, find your deeper purpose. Here's the truth. You're not addicted because you're broken. You're addicted because you're empty. So ask yourself, what are you supposed to be building? What skill have you been avoiding? What relationship needs your energy? What dream have you buried? Channel that energy into something real. Start a project, learn a skill, build something, create something, help someone. When your life has purpose, distraction loses its power. You're not running from something. You're running towards something greater. Habit 5, track your progress daily. Get a calendar. Every day you stay clean, mark an X. Watch that chain grow. Don't break the chain. This does 2 things. It makes progress visible, and it creates accountability. You'll see proof that you're changing. And on hard days, that chain reminds you how far you've come. You don't need to win forever. You just need to win today. And when you win today, you get to mark that X. That's your only goal. Here's the bottom line. Freedom isn't about 1 big decision. It's about 5 small habits, repeated daily until you become someone new. Someone who doesn't need escape. Someone who faces life head-on. Someone you can finally respect. These 5 habits won't just break the addiction. They'll rebuild your entire life. So what's it gonna be? Another day of the same pattern? Or day 1 of the person you're meant to become? The choice is yours, starting right now.